they want to know that today there have been lot of talks about TV plus digital plus the on-ground events all are merging into one. Convergence is the new way to go ahead. So what is this conversion and what is the future looking at a digital, or only isolation one can work, or it is all 360 degrees? So some views on that.
Sure. See, I think, Samir, what has happened is, right, when we start off and something is small, then what happens is we use the word digital, or we define it that, okay, this is conventional media and this is digital media. Let me give you an example. When I say a photograph today, send me a photo, do you not assume that it's a digital photo? It's not going to be a printed photo, right? You and I actually have even seen a physical photograph which should come from a lab. But a lot of today people in this webinar, 500 of them in this, have probably never seen a photograph, or they've seen their parents' wedding album photograph if they have ever seen it, right? So it automatically means a digital photograph. When I talk about a song or a music, I automatically mean an MP3. We stopped using the word digital because now when I say music, it means MP3 music or digital music, right? Similarly, I think people are going to stop saying digital marketing. It's just going to be marketing. If I'm watching video on YouTube, whether it's on a television or a laptop or an iPad or a phone, it doesn't matter, right? So the fact of the matter is that what's going to happen is that these words are created by us. And this is broadcast television. If you ask a teenager today, they are watching Netflix on television. For them, they're watching Netflix, right? Whether they watch it on a phone or a television is the same for them. They don't know what is broadcast media, what is non-broadcast media. So I think what's going to happen is that these words, because we are slightly older, that's the reason we distinguish between television and digital video. If you take in the next few years, like how we don't distinguish music and photographs anymore, people are not going to say it's going to be video advertising, it'll be non-video advertising. If video comes on television, or it comes on YouTube, or it comes on anything else, it is not relevant because it's just video advertising, right? So I think that word integrated will go away. It'll just become marketing. It'll just become advertising. It'll just become one word, which will obviously mean everything put together. But yeah, I just feel that digital is going to become bigger. The reasons are very simple, right? Generally what happens is that when you take a country like India, where there are a lot of inequalities, what happens is that a smaller percentage of the population controls majority of the disposable income of the country. So what happens is that if you take even all the people in this sort of webinar have access to a mobile, have access to an internet, they are filtered audience who have studied, who have done the BCom, they've done the BMM. If you take the next 10 years, 20 years, they will be in that 3%, 5% of India's population who will be earning a few lakh rupees a month, if not more. So they are the ones who will be having most of our consumption. So this 5% of India's population does 80-90% of the consumption. And most of the brands need to reach out to this percentage of the population. Travel, education, barring FMCG, most of the other industries need to reach out to only 50 to 100 million people in India. And digital allows you to reach out to those people very, very precisely. I can't reach out to 2 million people through television precisely, but digital allows me to reach out to those 2 million people precisely. If you want to sell a car, there are only 2 million cars sold in the country every year. So maybe I need to reach out to only 10 million people a year. I don't need to reach out to 200 million people a year. So then digital works more effectively. So when you take marketing, today television grew from print at one point in time, right? And print went down. Similarly, I feel that mediums that are not having that precise ability to reach out to specific niche users in a place like India, their in a way usage will go down. And digital mediums that allow you to reach out to precise users. And so if you take conventional media was very, very strong earlier because they had reach, they had a very good ad unit, and they had the ability to deliver frequency. But if you take digital in the last 5 years, not only the reach has become almost more than the conventional media reach, like total reach of Times Group today is 32 million, 35 million of reach, right? Digital, they are about almost 600 million users and 450 million are active users on the internet. So reach of digital is 5 times, 7 times more, 10 times more. Secondly, we can deliver frequency because remarketing is now possible. And lastly, I think the ad unit of digital whether it's on YouTube, whether it's on virtual reality, augmented reality, all that has become far more superior in terms of an ad unit than what conventional media can offer you. So yes, digital is going to become big, and it's already in some countries. Okay, let's say all of print, television, and outdoor and all these things combined is lesser than digital advertising in UK. Will the same thing happen in India in the next 10 years? I think it will. Digital is going to become significantly larger than most of the other mediums. But you have to understand that digital is not replacing print or television or outdoor or some of these things, right? Digital video is replacing television. In a way, an ad unit on text and news is replacing some parts of print. If you take augmented reality and virtual reality, is replacing some parts of outdoor. So basically what is happening is you're taking digital is across all the other previous mediums that existed. So that's the reason, in a way, it looks like that is becoming very, very big. But the right way to compare it is this the evolution of mankind, right? Every time a new superior thing has come in, which has replaced the thing which used to be inefficient as compared to this one, right? So when you have a job to be done, the job, so earlier if you take, we would travel by horse carts, then we came to cars, then we came to planes. So the same way, a more efficient product that helps you do the job more efficiently will replace the previous product. And I do believe digital is a more efficient, superior product than other conventional mediums that were accessible to us and were accessible to us earlier and are accessible to us now.